Hello folks, I'm Ken Briota, Editorial Director of IoT Evolution World, coming here to talk to you a little bit about the IoT. First off, before we jump in, I want to remind you about the IoT Evolution Expo coming up pretty soon, August 17 through 20 at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. It's going to be great. We're going to be covering the entire gamut of the IoT, from connected drones to connected homes, connected transportation, all the way through the industrial IoT, which is what our story today focuses on. We covered a story last week in China. Chinese company Jiangxi Outrace Technology has utilized robotic workers and connected IoT technology to totally revolutionize its plants in China. This has made the production line output nearly 450,000 units for the company, which is great. Unintended side effect, however, is that it has also eliminated 15,000 jobs from the local economy. Now, I think this is a mistake. Obviously, the IoT is going to help manufacturing and other industrial sectors be more efficient. They're going to be able to monitor things without the use of individual inspectors and people. But it's a mistake to just get rid of those people. We still need people in the system to make the IoT work better. Now, what Jiangxi should have done was taken those same menial laborers and trained them up, made them experts in the repair, use, and monitoring of the sensors. Teach them about data and analytics. Those people, if trained up, become valuable assets to the company instead of simple layoffs and cost savings of salary, I suppose, and benefits. But without those people, the company can't grow and the company cannot become a true powerhouse beyond its own bare-level manufacturing capability. It's a mistake, and one I expect that they'll repair when they find out they have to hire someone to manage their data. All right, that's it for now. I'm Ken Briota. I am the Editorial Director of IoT Evolution World. I expect to see you all in Vegas for IoT Evolution Expo, August 17 through 20 at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. And in the meantime, feel free to tweet at IoT Evolution or me at Ken Briota. We'll see you in the sand, folks. Have a good day.